of late it was received the first case ya patient coronavirus ene Meru saini nesia Kisima although Maru komuche negoji na kankwenda kwera ntwa Meru kinyira kedato ina case ya coronavirus ukamaka thirikari yetu Meru County ira tongeretwo ni gavana yetu His Excellency Kiraito Murungi, it is in full control. Mwaru tomyokeria itwamwikire in our facilities that was set aside for that. Mandaktari yetu very properly prepared to handle that case. So when it came, it was handled very fast. Mara isibitare itumwitikite kwa na kwa tungataba kwana na ntukitekora tumuombera Murungu nikenda our very fast. Similarly, county government put all the effort to ensure that to track all the contact. Bantu baba ibekwa come in contact na Maru nikenda nyabo tobeka under quarantine for 14 days tukiwa bima ukiona kida nyabo bena murimo coronavirus kana batina jo. So ninkwenda kwera ntobeto the situation now is under control and turabonde bare na contact Maru to batrace na itu kwenda la trace vangi hapa na pale nikienda bonda tubeka ntwamwe twamenyera na tubathima ninkuria ntu bonda ba Meru uketha kwe muntu ukumenya na na contact na Maru uyu ura na coronavirus wakila come forward twakujukia twaweka nyumba twakumenyera twakuthima no tekyo kare a nombi so kaigwa bwa just forward yourself twakumenyera nikenda twakikisha uri safe kuma na murimo ya corona na twakikisha kinyawe utato spend murimo yu kira na baku kira sore baku nikenda tinde twatanira twangamisha murimo yu na coronavirus mwankadai tuna contact ekomi nomwe barabara ina quarantine center na ito kuendelea na mbele kushwa kidha kuivangi na mobile na contact noe nikenya tubaiki na quarantine center tumbo wamenyera nikienda bata transmit murimo ya coronavirus baba inge ekomi no kenda bomete saindi ya Kisima bange bele bomete saindi ya Gitembene nonto Maru na kurukiro ku visit some of their relatives kuende bele bomete saindi otherwise kan kwenda kwera masibitari yetu not masibitari but materi yetu this new technology era muntu atakoringita katab ninko vauri ya embrace this new technology be yako our National Polytechnic Ameru pari na our principal benderia such kind of equipments known to this is the best, this is the one which is recommended in the fight against coronavirus. Thank you very much. Tukabatakomba kwa font sabuni, banki batakomba kwa font mask, batakomba kwa font sanitizer. So inko chokeria this institution cover muno non to that donation. Donation you ya tumatombo kila anto ba ingi ndani Meru baraba tena ability ya kuhura sanitizer to avayo free nikienda at least na babomba ko iprotect ko murimo yo coronavirus. Otherwise